The moderator are Dr. Asha Jain ma'am, Dr. Shalini Jain ma'am. The panelists are Dr. Rita Agarwal, Dr. Pragna Girje, Dr. Neelam Singh, Dr. Aparajita Chawla, Dr. Veronica UL, Dr. Monica Pathak, Dr. Anamika Singh, Dr. Ritu Jain, Dr. Avinashi Kujur. I welcome all the panelists on the dais. Please come forward. We at the very morning, we are 15 minutes late. So we are going to wind up our panel really fast. गलत गलत वाला है मेरा वाला दो पब्लिक हेल्थ हाँ ऊपर सबसे ऊपर सबसे ऊपर वाला ऑन करिए प्लीज आप लोग टाइम वेस्ट मत करिए 2 मिनट हर केस में आप ही लोग वेस्ट कर रहे हैं So welcome my dear panelists. Are we missing someone? माइक हाथ में ले लो या उधर ले लो
क्यों नहीं करा रहे भैया टेबल इधर करके बोल रहे थे आपको
cool 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 टेबल नहीं लगेगी लेट इट बी जस्ट लेट इट बी शालिनी come here are all the panelists here
संजीता तुम संजना सारे नाम अनाउंस कर दिए
so if this is all we take a group photo first
प्लीज स्टैंड अप आइए आप लोगों के बीच में हम आ रहे हैं
So, my dear friends, we are going to talk about public health. I don't see much of the audience, but this is a good discussion to talk amongst ourselves as well. So, what are we going to talk about? Do you think there is a health visibility gap? Means midlife women, menopausal women are not covered anywhere under healthcare schemes.
Yeah,
Yes,
there
that
is
is
a invisibility
definitely.
gap because what we say initially, everything was focused on mother and child care. Like there was high maternal mortality and infant mortality rate. So every policies, every things, whatever was there to improve the maternal and child health. And there was like more focus on the non-communicable disease, in fact, like hypertension, diabetes. But like
Yeah,
for the
but
But
even
there are
elderly women.
policies. Yes, ma'am. There is policies for menopausal women. There are specialized menopausal clinics. But the thing is, there is lack of awareness.
Awareness.
Patients do not know
Yes.
कि it is available for
Yes.
them, and they whenever they reach, जैसे कि patient आती है उसके साथ सास भी आती है, उनकी बुआ भी आती है, but वो उनको पता नहीं है कि there is something for meant for them. So that is lack of awareness, and you can see ki accessibility is somehow lacking.
And also there
think-
is a stigma in women. They feel कि reproductive period हो गया अब हमें कोई जरूरत नहीं है मैं काम कर रही हूँ मैं स्वस्थ हूँ मुझे
So
किस चीज की
basically,
जरूरत है तो awareness,
what we are thinking
education.
is that it is a societal problem. It is not just a healthcare problem.
Yes.
It is invisible because there is no demand.
No.
Even when
Yes.
there is demand, means
Yes.
there is really no demand. Even now, when prevention of cervical cancer is there, the focus is on immunization of young girls.
Problem of mindset.
Mindset.
It's a problem of mindset. So, what can we do? Right now, we have an OPD model. Patient comes to the OPD and then we treat. Do you think we can do something else for rural women? Because they come to the OPD as a last resort. It is not their first resort.
Community screening and even first awareness. Let us first aware the ANMs, ASHA workers, the local leaders, NGOs, they should be the one who should be first educated, and they should be reaching the house of every woman, and they should communicate.
You know, I think somewhere we are failing.
Yes,
We
definitely.
taking ASHA workers as our bosses. For everything, we want to say, let the ASHA worker do this, let the Mitanin do this. Is that right? First thing is, we give her too much power, and then we crib that she has more power than we have. So, we have to think of what we as opinion makers, we as influencers can do. Now, if you see an OPD count, इस OPD में there were 100 patients, 20 इसके है, 20 इसके है, 10 इसके है, 40 उसके है. इसके अलावा, is there any other method to see the access that the patient has, that women have?
We can have various posters,
Measure the access. That is my question.
we should involve the IT workers and even the CHCs, PHCs, all should have a menopausal clinic or a elderly women clinic in all CHCs, and we can involve even the local panchayat leaders can be involved.
A
Agreed.
program of MBBS student, that is home adaptation program.
Village
They
adaptation.
go
Village
every month to
adaptations.
the household
Yeah.
of the community, and they are very, very good resource we should use, because when they reach and when they educate and when they make the society aware that this
So
can be done.
basically, everyone agrees that we have to go to the society.
Yes.
To the society. Now, the fourth question in this is that, we discuss so many things in conferences. Nothing translates on the ground. How can that be better? We focus on ourselves. Everybody on the dais is speaking so correct, everything. But does it translate into practice? We will say that we should not do a hysterectomy, we should do a screening. Are we examining every patient by per speculum examination?
So many.
There is a you can say there is a deficiency of hands. You can say कि when the patients 50, 60 or 100 patient, when they reach the OPD and there is crowding, so time that should be given to a patient is less compared to the.
So I think,
Ma'am,
yes, ma'am.
ma'am, in the conference, so much discussions we will do, but there is no accountability. Like means someone should have take the lead, like whether it is implemented or not. Like
Agreed. So basically, what you are saying, what I wanted to bring up, that we should have a written document at the end that this is
Yes.
what we want the government to help us with. This is what we have decided. And we need help to implement. And we need to look at ourselves as well, that we have to examine patients. We have to talk to patients. And the MBBS students are very good resources. And we have to develop something at the village level. Because उनके घर पे हम डेवलप करेंगे. अभी मितानिन्स आर यंग गर्ल्स, द आशा वर्कर्स आर यंग गर्ल्स. We need to take the old dais who used to be elderly women. We need to take them also as opinion makers, and that will, sort of help in that age group, is what I feel. So now I hand over to Shalini for the next session.
So how true, district camp model should be there. In this section, how do we design a perfectly reproducible district camp?
they should
First, once we should address or we should focus on which community we are going to take care of. We should find out how many houses are there, who is approachable.
Reproducible model.
Yes.
If one person does it, everybody can do
Yes,
it.
we should
should
make
be
a
written
standard protocol.
Exactly.
Standard protocol should be made,
So we should-
and these standard protocols, before the camp is arranged, 2-3 weeks beforehand,
Yes.
we should
yes.
ask all
Yes.
village people, yeah, approach them, tell them, and create that awareness so that they bring everyone.
हैपेंस हम लोग आयरन कैल्शियम की टैबलेट दे देते हैं, कैम्प करना है बोला तो वो लोग आती हैं बॉडी पेन करके, तो जो हमारा स्पेसिफिकेशन है वो लॉस हो जाता है। तो उस लोकल लेवल पे या कुछ ऐसे एनजीओ हो सकती हैं या गवर्नमेंट लेवल पे अवेयर करना है कि कैंप क्यों हो रहा है, तभी वो वहां जाके प्रॉपरली
We can also club them with local.
System should be there. We can club them with
It-
local festivals. Like, for
to-
example, if now we have this monsoon comings, right?
Yes.
So we have a lot of
Right.
festivals. We can
Yes.
club them with it. So anyways, women will come to us.
Yeah, yeah.
We can just tap that opportunity, do basic screenings like BMI, obesity, rule out
Exactly,
hypertension,
exactly.
basic things.
हमको उसको कैच करना है कैसे भी. Yes, yes.
Try, yeah.
Documentation in
Tell them,
actually
tell them
should
that-
be barcoding.
yeah. Tell
Kind
them
of
that
thing.
BP, your BP is higher, so please
So
come down.
we all need a very good process. That is important. Standard SOP should be there.
Yes, yes.
Next question.
So who are the vital local stakeholders we must engage?
The local people, metanis, medical officers,
medical officers,
the sarpanch.
and CSCs,
Yes.
because documentation has to be maintained, proper referral and proper follow-up should be
Follow-up
done,
is-
and it can be done by the local PHC, CSC. They can maintain a documentation and they can track the patient. That is very, very important.
Yeah, we should involve everybody, village people, government, privatization, NGOs, CHCs, PSCs. Now, what logistics?
Yes, ma'am. We should
Yes.
involve all the village people, as madam is saying, primary health centers and Anganwadi workers and private practitioners also. Then proper referral to be managed accordingly after high risk screening also.
Yeah, once you triage, we have to do something about it. Because most of the
Next question.
Yes.
We
Yeah,
should engage
yeah.
the transport services also.
Yeah,
If
because
you
what
want-
I realized
पेशेंट को पता होना चाहिए कि हमको किसको कांटेक्ट करना है.
Obviously, like we used to go for this Pradhan Mantri Yojana.
Exactly.
The main problem which I found in that scheme was we used to see them and we used to tell them go and do a sonography, but there was no transportation.
Exactly.
Well, there was nothing which was given to them कि यहाँ free हो जाएगा, यहाँ subsidized rate में हो जाएगा, आप यहाँ चले जाइए.
मतलब उनके माइंड में कोई मैप ही नहीं है.
So
That is the
transportation,
problem.
proper referral of that thing. So just detecting a high risk pregnancy in that camp was of no use because
ऐसे
आगे
भी
उसका
खर्च
कुछ
होते
नहीं
हैं
है.
गवर्नमेंट के समाज लेवल पे कितने कैंप होते हैं बट द रिजल्ट इज एब्सोल्युटली जीरो. आई
We need to recruit a staff who will do this follow up at least.
यस.
Logistics is for transport. Logistics is for doing those tests which we are prescribing. Logistics is for documentation and the staff who
Risk
will do that.
stratification is
Yeah.
very important. Now come to the next question. What logistics are required for seamless tertiary
That's what I just mentioned.
referrals? Yeah. So can medical societies lead these without government funding?
Yes,
Yes.
they can do, but it is always better if they involve the government.
Yeah,
funding.
yeah.
It will be at a bigger level.
Hybrid kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can definitely.
The question is very specific, funding.
Funding is important.
So do you want government funding or you just want to use the government infrastructure? There are two different things.
It has to be clubbed because we can serve as a specialist and providers of services, and we have to use the government infrastructure and facilities to facilitate the services.
Especially the
It is
control they
optimum.
have, we can use that control over the local community.
And for funding, we
Can still rope in pharma people, we can rope in private NGOs. So funding is not a big problem. The control over
It's the
society
control
is the
and the-
problem, which is with the politicians.
Yeah. Decentralization is basically very important. Manpower.
To use best of each sector.
Exactly. So, to take home for the public or audiences, 3-tier camp blueprint should be there. In the initial part, we should do triage. Mass BP ले लिया, BMI, sugar screening. This is a simple thing which anyone can do, any staff. Then clinical part is to be done by us. VIA किया, विली किया, CB clinical breast examination. जब कर रहे हैं तो patient को cell breast examination समझा दिया. And then it should be linkage. There should be linkage to proper routing to referral hospitals. It should be very clear in patient's mind also. और उसको follow up लेने के लिए जो पूरा system है, it should be there. Network should be there. Now, Asha ma'am will take the oncology research.
So my friends, we need to be targeted. Don't repeat what answer one person has already given because see, and we have 5 sections to go. So the oncology reset, why is PAP and HPV uptake low in semi-urban area.
Because of
Resources.
lack of awareness, and there is some social stigma. And I mean, they are not, means they feel it is like it's not that important.
I think they don't really know about it.
Lack of
Lack
Right?
of awareness is the
Lack
main
of awareness is the main thing. And हमको तो कुछ नहीं है. You know, that approach, हमको तो कुछ नहीं है. So we as a community of doctors have failed to tell them that it is preventable and you have to check up when you have nothing.
Society
That
mindset has to
not
change
been able to.
because they think childbirth हो गया खत्म काम.
Can
Then-
VIA and be standardized at a camp level?
It can be
Yes,
possible.
definitely.
Can it be standardized? That is the question.
Yes, with the
Because we
training.
all know
Yeah.
that there is a lot of interperson variability.
The person who is doing VAVLI should be trained and certified. Government of India is doing
Do you think there is the need of a refresher?
yes.
Yes.
How do you maintain quality control?
They have to standardize by giving a course and to be certified.
Agreed. Certify bhi ho gaya, sab ho gaya. But how do you still maintain QC?
We can
Quality
use
control.
those handheld
Scientific
devices.
fresh acetic acid should be there. The standardization of reporting.
No. That is not quality control.
The basically those handheld machines where we store the images and then we can audit it later with
That
specialists
is
that
one
can
part,
also
but
be-
VIA Billy is not that. So for VIA Billy, how do you do quality control?
we have to give them a standard SOP how to make that acetic acid, how to
All
make
that is
provide
done.
all those things
And
and
what after? जो वो कर रहे हैं उनने लिखा
लिखना है
paper जो है उसमें we should have proper referral
there has to be documentation. One thing that we are all, I don't know, forgetting
Yeah.
is
And if there is
that
some positive
we have to check. आप हर देखिए क्वालिटी कंट्रोल का प्रिंसिपल क्या है. लैब में जब क्वालिटी कंट्रोल होता है, जो आपका सिंपल थायराइड का टेस्ट होता है, तो पहले 4 उसमें कंट्रोल रन होते हैं, उसके बाद बाकी रन होता है. सो फॉर एवरी 50 cases, ideally 10% cases should be cross checked by a superior.
yeah for
That is threshold. 10% cases have to be cross checked
so basically
Nice.
audit
with all SOPs, because if that is not randomly done and if they fail that, they need retraining.
right so auditing
Simple.
continuous auditing is
It is a continuous auditing. Is self-breast examination possible by CAMS?
Ma'am, actually, self-breast examination itself is not enough. It should be examination by the health provider. Only with the self-patient should be.
Again, both of them, there is a difference. When it's a self-breast examination, they detect the lump the size of a lemon.
Yes.
When it's a doctor, it's the size of a marble. But a mammography will detect a sub-centimeter nodule calcification. So mammography is the gold standard. And then we have, if nothing else, do self-breast examination. So when is it done?
It is done. I mean, if it is at home also, it can be done, ma'am. We will.
When?
self breast is every 7 to 10 days we have to teach them how to do it and clinical is every yearly at
Yeah,
least.
post-menstrual.
It has to be post-menstrual. It should be
Okay.
no more frequent than once a month.
Exactly.
Only once a month. Okay. And how, again the same thing. How do you link mass screening to immediate treatment? In a camp, you have seen breast lump.
Same thing we have to document and refer triage them and refer proper referral is
One more thing.
They have to be confirmed by, like you say, a specialist and then mammography. That is the gold standard.
Ma'am, we should have a follow-up.
You have confirmed. But how do you motivate? So whenever you are doing camps, you need local influencers who will actually see that they go for treatment.
referral
हम तो करेंगे और निकल जाएंगे. Right. So you need local involvement. That is a must. So the better thing for screening instead of VIVLA is HPV testing, which gives better. And now over to Shalini, metabolic bone health.
So why is non-communicable disease screening ignored in gynae camps?
In
Yes,
gynae-
Dr. Neelam. Anyone?
Lack of awareness among professionals as well as the society.
Yes.
I mean, gynae camp, they will feel it is only for the women health. If they don't think it is for other psychological problem. I mean, like what are the problem are there?
क्योंकि pregnancy, iron, calcium
Related.
yes, mortality, maternal mortality से आगे कुछ बढ़ता ही नहीं है ना? So is bone mass density testing feasible at rural levels? Dr. Neelam will answer.
Ma'am, actually, bone mass testing, this density can be done by DEXA scan.
Yeah.
So, but it is not feasible in rural area.
Yes.
So we can
yes.
use some easy technique, which may be
Peripheral
feasible.
BMDs, which we do,
Yeah.
that can be done. We can try it.
Just an ultrasound.
And then
Ultrasound
for
or ultrasound, which is done, and by FRAC score also we can judge the
But
high risk patients.
generalized kind of thing.
Yes,
So that
sound is
Yes.
very good.
referred.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very rightly said, Dr. Neelam. Thank you. Can FRAX risk assessment bypasses imaging cost?
Doesn't bypass. We are triaging by the
Yeah.
so we need to follow them up.
Exactly.
This-
Exactly.
We can't bypass it.
Because it has many fallacies and few positive things and pros and cons is there. It is a generalized and it is British recommendations, not suits to our population. It is not Indian tool.
Hmm.
How to integrate mental health checkups in camps?
Mental health of a menopausal woman is one field that is ignored,
Yes.
and
Highly
it is
ignored.
very, very important for the quality of life. Most common anxiety associated with the menopausal symptoms, hot flashes, that has to be addressed, and other early signs of depression, they are missed. So initial mental health assessment is very important, and it has to be followed up by the specialist.
What kind of questionnaires we can use? How we can involve? Yes. Questions.
Yeah.
Direct question.
Simple questionnaires. Can you name some questionnaires?
That's PHQ9 and general
PQ9
हाँ.
और जनरलाइज्ड एंजाइटी के जो चार्ट्स होते हैं वो हम
basically
स्टाफ को दे सकते हैं.
conducted in local languages.
Yes.
Easy language.
Yes, family atmosphere. So many things are exactly. They should use it for all or none. So it should be used for all. So for metabolic, what we should order? The compulsory HbA1c and BP log should be there at the level of camp. And bone assessment, universal FRAX score for all women 40 plus, because we will be doing stratification, high risk or low risk by this score.
Women's opportunistic screening, as we
Yeah.
say. We
Not
don't
just for diagnosis.
we don't just say कि नहीं ये high risk है तो इतना ही करना है, सबका करना.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Ritu. Thank you so much. Now we'll move on to life course immunization. Will be taken by Asha ma'am.
So, do menopausal women need immunization? Do we, as consultants, advocate immunization for postmenopausal women?
We should. Half of us are not advocating
We are not.
because we are not aware.
We are aware, and even we think it is chalta hai na, kuch to nahi hota. Till, see, day before yesterday, my Kaki Sas came to me and she had pain in her ear for 10 days. But when she came, there was herpes. It was so bad, and it is entirely preventable,
Yes.
right? So the first mistake is we don't advocate.
Yeah.
And the second thing is
We don't take it
हम
seriously.
गलती से बोल भी देते हैं तो
We don't take it seriously.
we don't take it
So why they
seriously,
will take us
and
seriously?
they don't take it serious. Menopausal among us, who has taken varicella vaccine?
आपने लिया मैम?
I am allergic. मेरे को छोड़ दो आप. मैं न्यूमोकॉकस लेके मरते मरते बची. So I cannot take it.
आप तो मत बोलिए पोडियम से कोई नहीं लेगा.
No, see, I have a hyperallergenic
So
profile. That is a different thing.
Yeah.
But I give it to my patients and they take it.
Good.
So why do you think vaccines are focused only for kids? We don't talk about elderly. Why is it only focused on kids?
all
Awareness is all the national.
all our policies, government policies are focusing only around maternal and child.
Let's suggest policies to government,
We
right?
yes.
So the buck stops with us. We need to do more about it. What do you think? There are barriers to vaccination in women up to 40 and beyond 40.
One is cost factor, one is awareness. Cost factor is important.
Cost factor is important.
Because
They think
family
they
members
don't
don't
need-
think that
they
is
think
an
they don't need it.
important
It is already
cost to
lying there,
be
all-
spent on the women.
See,
The
all of medical science is humanity's fight against nature.
Yeah.
Nature does not intend a woman who cannot reproduce to live. We are having a menopause society. We want a woman who is not reproductive to be healthy. Right?
Yes.
So, this is what we need to take up and we need to advocate really strongly. That up to 45, you can take even HPV, and beyond that,
I
there is a whole list of vaccinations that we
Yes.
should be taking. Do you think there is a role of flu or pneumococcal vaccine?
Yes.
yes.
Have you taken it?
Yes. Yes.
You are young. You are young. We are not talking about you. But what about others, Sangeeta?
You asked me. Yes.
No. So the thing is, you need to take pneumococcal vaccine once in 5 years. You also need to take the flu vaccine. We have all taken COVID vaccine. So, you know, there is an anti-vaxxer gang.
Yes. Yes.
And those anti-vaxxers have voices which are about 1,000 times louder than our voices. What can we do to advocate vaccines so that the anti-vaxxers don't damp them down?
One is in our women, in our own OPDs, we have to make them aware proactively.
How do the anti-vaxxers
Use social media.
use social media? So all of us, for personal advancement, for enjoyment, are using
Reels
social
now.
media. Please write on it and write compellingly. You know how they write? अरे वैक्सीन मत लगवाना, उसने लगवाया था, उसको बच्चा नहीं हुआ, वो मर गया, उसको कैंसर हो गया, उसके स्टराइल हो गया, you know, और ये वो नाम लेके लिखते हैं, इसको ऐसा हुआ, उसको ऐसा हुआ. We need to make up our own stories of
Counter reels.
success.
Yes. Counter
And
reels.
we have to write compellingly. We don't write compellingly, it doesn't work. So, all of us as societies and doctors need to put our act together. What is the impact? 90% protection against HPV cancers. Now we come to productivity and workplace. So, Shalini.
So it is a very important thing to be discussed because we are also working women. So what is the productivity and how it is affected due to midlife changes and menopause? Why target only teachers, nurses और factory workers? हम खाली workplace में हम इनको ज़्यादा focus करना चाहते हैं. Why?
Because teachers, they have access to the parents and a larger part of the
Yeah, they
society.
cater the large part of
Same
this.
as nurses, they are caregivers, and when
नहीं, पर
they
ये लोग उनकी productivity की बात कर रहे हैं.
Women to women
हम awareness की बात कर रहे हैं.
women to women connectivity is there.
Yes, that's where you have got that
empathy to educate and
Bas.
they listen. They have that patience to
very rightly,
other rightly say and educate accordingly.
but
very rightly said.
women's.
They come in contact with the patient more than us, and even the attenders who are coming at our.
So I want to ask you कि वर्क प्रोडक्टिविटी की बात कर रहे हैं, गवर्नमेंट अवेयरनेस
Yes.
सब बातें नहीं कर रहे हैं इसमें. ठीक, क्योंकि इसमें ज्यादा पॉपुलेशन टीचर्स में कौन सी होती है? फीमेल्स. नर्सेस में क्या होता है? फीमेल्स. फैक्ट्री वर्कर्स में बीड़ी बनाने के लिए बांधने जा रही हैं, पैकेट करने जा रही हैं, सब जगह मोस्ट
Right.
उनके काम, उनके वेजेस अफेक्ट होते हैं. उसकी वजह से उनका फैमिली इश्यूज, मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज एंड सो मेनी मेनोपॉजल मेटाबॉलिक इश्यूज, सो मेनी थिंग्स आर कनेक्टेड. सो उनको हमको कैसे मैनेज करना है? तो हमको फैक्ट्री लेवल पे जाके काम करना है, स्कूल के लेवल पे जाके काम करना है. ये पीएचसी, सीएससी या अवेयरनेस टॉक एग्जैक्टली कैंप्स वी आर रिस्पांसिबल.
Yeah.
So how does menopause affect economic productivity?
because of the menopausal symptoms like hot flushes and other symptoms. So they become absent to their workplace because of this absenteeism. It definitely affects the economic
या
productivity.
उनका फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज भी हैं, फिर फैमिली में भी उनको बहुत कैजुअली लेते हैं कि शीज अभी तो ये बुढ़ी हो गई, और वो खुद भी फिर उससे मेंटल इश्यूज भी उनको आने लगते हैं. सो इट अफेक्ट्स इन वेरियस वेज बिकॉज कार्डियो मेटाबॉलिक इश्यूज हैं, बोन के इश्यूज हैं. पीपल लेबल इट एज साइकाट्रिक हो गई है, बट इट इज नॉट सो. सो इट अफेक्ट्स इन अ लार्ज वे. बैरियर्स फॉर वर्किंग वुमेन सीकिंग हेल्प क्यों नहीं कर पाती है, हेल्प क्यों नहीं ले पाती?
Definitely
Lack
lot
of
of
awareness, they need to take leave and then travel. So the cost of loss of wages is
एग्जैक्टली.
the most important factor.
जैसे एचआर के पास गई तो वो नर्स को एचआर ने बोला कि नहीं हम तुमको पैसे नहीं देंगे, ड्यूटी से एब्सेंट हो तो. और क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है?
The person who is heading them, like you said, HR, these are generally males. So they are not receptive to your one, and we are also feeling shy to go and tell them कि
अंडरस्टैंड ही उनको नहीं कर पाते कई बार.
that becomes the biggest hurdle.
तभी वो बेचारी लेट हो गई काम पे.
एंड उनको ये लगता है कि हम एचआर के पास अपनी बात बताएंगे तो वो हमारे को रेस्पेक्ट नहीं है, जॉब से ही निकाल.
एग्जैक्टली.
Offices में we have maternity leave. People are giving leave for periods of.
पर ऐसा कुछ मैंने फीमेल्स के लिए कोई सोचता ही नहीं है. इसलिए मैंने अनामिका को भी रखा था बिकॉज शी इज ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड टू गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर. अविनाशी मैडम को रखा है कि हम कुछ इसमें पॉलिसीज में और आगे कर पाए. हाउ कैन एचआर बिल्ड मेनोपॉज फ्रेंडली पॉलिसीज? जैसे वो हमारे पास नहीं आ पा रही, तो हमको क्या करनी चाहिए कि वो उस चीज को हम उसको उनको फ्रेंडली बनाए, उनका एटमॉस्फेयर, वर्किंग एटमॉस्फेयर हैप्पी हेल्दी हम कैसे बनाए? हम क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें? एचआर क्या कर सकता है, या हमारा क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन हो सकता है?
They can arrange some camps in their own
Premises में.
premises.
Exactly said.
They can have a activity club kinds of thing, and there they can have fun. At the same time, they can utilize educating them. Awareness for vaccination is also they can convey.
आपने बोला ना कि हाँ
They can also make available on a subsidized rate for their workers.
यस,
They can also arrange
ताकि
that.
फाइनेंशियली अफोर्ड कर पाए उस चीज को. So-
The most common symptom is fatigue with the women. So we can take them a break in between the long hours. We can give them break. Another thing is hot flashes. They suffer from the hot flashes. So we can make environmental friendly for them. That is the temperature maintain.
Yeah.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा. बिकॉज मेनी कंट्रीज हैव दिस ब्रेक वाला थिंग ना, पर हमारे इंडिया में नहीं है.
And we should also focus on providing them good washroom facilities.
स्लीप के लिए थोड़ा सा 10-15 मिनट का एक नैप के लिए सुविधा होनी चाहिए. थोड़ा ऐसे 10 मिनट का
Lunch breaks can be planned in.
So yeah. Thank you, wonderful panel. Thank you so much. So we can just institutionalize the midlife health literacy as you all spoke. We can bring screening models directly to the workplace as we discussed for teachers and for all the female staffs to ensure the healthy midlife and menopause. So now the follow-up will be taken by Asha madam.
So now we have discussed quite a few things. I'm going to take you in the last 3 minutes, follow-up and sustainability. So whenever you hold camps, there is at least a 60% fallout. जितने लोग को आप रिफर करते हो उसमें से 10, 20, 30, max 40% पहुंचते हैं. Why does this happen?
There should
Mike, please take the mic.
Transport and even funds.
Even there is transport. Now with Ayushman, there are funds. Now with Ayushman, there are funds. There is transport available everywhere. Everywhere. Roads are there up to the remotest villages. There are vehicles, ambulances, government ambulances. So let us not say कि नहीं है. Okay, transport is not the problem.
we have to
They
plan for
should
one
educate them. They should realize that they are having some problem, and that is why they are referring. So she has to have that awareness that she is having some problem.
Between
First, she needs to be convinced.
lack of communication.
Exactly. We are not able to convince them. We are not able to convince them, and they don't realize the importance of what is going on. Because if we are really putting in the effort, maybe 1 or 2 will not agree, but the others will agree. But here 60% are not agreeing. So that is a deficit on our part, that we are not communicating properly. Then, if everybody has a health card, like the government is planning to everybody to have a health identity, and then that health identity to be available all over the India, do you think that will have an effect?
Yes,
Yes,
definitely. it will.
definitely.
Because we are private practitioners and Avinashi is in the government sector. But what happens? Patient comes to me, she's not happy. She'll go to Ritu. She's not happy. She'll go to Aparajita. Not happy. Well, she'll go to her mother-in-law who has a separate OPD. फिर उनसे भी नहीं happy है. फिर अविनाशी के पास जाएंगे. उनके पास वो time ही नहीं है. फिर now everybody is spending that much time to take the basic. So if it is documented and everybody gets access to it, whoever is the health provider, a lot of healthcare time will be saved.
Yes, ma'am.
And
It is with the ASHA ID. When a patient register with the ASHA ID, the health details and her history and diagnosis is now being available with the ASHA
But
ID.
madam,
Abha
that
ID.
needs to be updated.
Abha ID.
Yes,
It is the Abha ID.
Updated.
Abha ID, and it is
So that is a government plan which you think is going to be really helpful. Next thing is, we have treated the patient. We've seen that patient in a camp and we have given treatment. Do you think we should track her outcome?
Yes.
Because in camps, we are in a hurry. We have gone there for 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. There is a whole line of patients. हम एक mindset से जाते हैं. जो कर रहा है वो सिर्फ वो कर रहा है. There is no integration. So the patient may come for something and be treated for something else.
yes.
Right? So do you think that integration, if there is a digital tool which the patient can operate, which we can share by a QR or something, so we will be better at doing the camps. Do you think that
Yes,
will work?
definitely.
So what do you think it should be? It should be a simple Google form, or it should be a simple yes/no form. What should it be?
I think yes/no form with the pictorial things.
You can't have pictures of everything. It is not possible. Because the human body has so many systems, and every system complaint maybe you can't have pictures.
Okay, then
So
forms
yes,
yes, local
language
forms
will be better.
in the local languages.
So for the rural area, do you think there are geographical and financial bottlenecks?
Yes.
Why?
Because geographic constraint, there is a lack or restraining of outreach programs. When the patient is in very far and remote area, it is very difficult for the
पर अब तो सब जगह बस ट्रेन चलती है. मतलब you have buses everywhere. फ्रंटे तमटे तक जाती है.
still they are facing. It is you can say
I
it
will
is a
tell you,
issue
they
mindset.
women's health is not prioritized. When I started working on cervical cancer, from a village, a school principal came with his wife. I diagnosed stage 2 cervical cancer. I said, get treatment. At that time in Raipur, we did not have treatment. She was to be sent to Nagpur. I arranged everything. I arranged her treatment for free. He said, the loss I will have by taking her and getting her treated for 6 weeks. She will die. I will get another wife. That is equal.
It is harsh reality of the society.
And he's a school principal. So the thing is, I always say, if you don't prioritize your health, nobody else will. Let us stop pretending to be the universal giver and also start thinking a little about ourselves. Because if we don't, we are going to be in a problem. And that is what so many women die. And in no time, there is another wife. 6 महीना नहीं होता है, नई wife आ जाती है. Even with doctors, it has happened. A lady doctor died, husband got married to a soulmate in 6 months. So you have to understand that just because you are a doctor, it does not mean you are immune. Take care of your health and also take care of your patient's health. So how are we going to close the referral route? What do you think?
It should be proper.
Proper follow-up.
Everything written, connected to RFID and Aadhaar card,
Followed up properly. Yeah.
and connected to digital tools to close that. And if my last question to all of you, this panel of ours, has it been useful and successful? If yes, give one reason why. If no, give one reason why. I start with you, Rita ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, it can be successful, but how after, like when we go retrospectively, like after some time we look back and see, yes, definitely what implemented, I mean what things are implemented out of this panel, and whether they are really implemented, and what are the rates, I mean we are getting the things corrected by that, ma'am. Then we can say it was a successful panel.
Even if a single person imply and incorporate these teachings in their life, I will start and it will be successful.
Yes, ma'am, this panel will be definitely successful because सबसे पहले तो हम लोगों ने भी बहुत कुछ सीख लिया है, जैसे मैडम ने बोला कि हमें अपनी हेल्थ पे भी ध्यान रखना है और अपने पेशेंट्स और अपनी फैमिली।
I think we,
Prajita.
yes. Ma'am, if it will be useful, even apart from the community, I think we should start from the family itself. Many of our family members are not aware. We don't even educate them about the basic necessities of menopause. Our brothers, the sons, they are not aware that their mothers can have a problem. We should educate them about menopausal symptoms also.
After this panel, definitely I'd like to make a screening form and I'll like to circulate it in my patient OPD area so that they can just do the tick part. I get the screening and then I can save time and communicate to things which is lacking in that form to educate them.
We'll use this form for the workforce. The 50 women who are working at my place will also be now included in this proactive screening.
So thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Everything
ma'am.
public health is going to be boring. You for stimulating our brains. Panelists have made it enlightening.
Thank you. Thank you for stimulating us and making us think that it is deficiency on our part first. We need to get educated. We need to get aware and then make awareness amongst our working staff and then go to the community. So it's always a proactive screening.
Yes.